This is the second part of our floor plan CAD tutorial. In this part, I'll show you how to insert some specific blocks, and use hatch command to mark the wall area. You can see the floor plan drawing from the first part of our CAD video tutorial. At the first step, I'll browse for the blocks from external CAD file. It can be DWG or DXF file. Go to the main menu, and in the View panel, click Insert button, and then hit the Enter key on keyboard, or click right mouse button, to show the Insert block window. As you can see, we don't have any blocks currently. I'll click on Browse button to find the file with blocks. Now, you see that we imported blocks to our drawing. I'll not insert any block now. Just click Cancel and press Escape to finish Insert command. We will use the Block Explorer window for block insertion. Block Explorer can be opened from the menu. Go to View, then check the Block Explorer checkbox. You can also show the Block Explorer window if you type in Dynamic Edit box or command line. You see that we have all our imported blocks shown in the Block Explorer. Here, we have all needed blocks, from living room blocks, then kitchen and bathroom blocks, and walls and doors also. I will first draw two helper lines. I need these lines in order to get middle points of position where to insert the window block. To insert the window block, double-click on the block in the Block Explorer, then, move the cursor and click somewhere in the drawing to insert the block. We need to select the block in the drawing and move it by using the Move command. Just select lower right corner as a base point to move the window to the middle of the living room wall. Repeat all of the steps to insert the window to the right. Again, just insert the block and use Move command to move the block to the right. Now, let's insert the window to the kitchen. As we have middle insertion point, I can immediately insert the window to the kitchen wall. Here is the entrance door. I'll insert it to the entrance of the house, and I have to rotate it by 90 degrees. I'm using tracking feature to easy rotate it. Now, just move the block to the position for the entrance door. Also, we have an interior door block, which is a bit smaller than entrance door. Double-click to select the interior door block, and insert it in the drawing. We have to mirror this block, as we need opposite door opening angle. I'll use Mirror command. For the Mirror command, we have to specify 2 points to identify mirroring axis. Then, just move mirrored block to the position of entrance to the living room. Another block will be good for the kitchen. I just need to rotate the block by 90 degrees and to move it to the entrance position. Only one door is left. I'll now insert door for the bathroom. I have to mirror the bathroom door, and I'll do that same way as I did it before. Again, I have to use Mirror command in order to get the right orientation of the door. Finally, move the door to the right position, and we have doors and windows on our floor plan. One thing is left. I'll use the Trim command to cut off the line segments which are crossing the door blocks. Click the Trim button to start Trim command. You must select Edge Objects for trimming, but I'll hit Enter to select all. Now, I'll just click on these unnecessary line segments to cut it off. Trim command is very useful. Now, let's use Hatch command to mark the wall area. After the start of Hatch command, we see Hatch Creation menu. I'll select the pattern and input 0.03 for the scale value. I turned off Object Snap and I'm clicking interior points inside the walls. We hatched all walls. Scale on the hatch pattern can be smaller. I'll just decrease the scale value to 0.02. To finish hatch, just click on the close button in the menu or press escape key. I'll now insert blocks for the living room. I need bed sitter. I'll insert bed sitter block in the living room. Also, before placing the TV, I'll draw a table for the TV. To draw table, you can use rectangle object. Now, go and insert the TV. Then, I'm going to insert the kitchen blocks. First, I'll insert an oven. There is the oven block somewhere in Block Explorer. We need to rotate the block by 90 degrees. After rotate of the block, I'll move the block to the lower right corner of the kitchen. After the oven, there is a double sink block. I'll insert the sink block. I have to rotate the sink same as the oven block. Sink block must be near the oven. I'm just using end-to-point object snap to move the block precisely. For the kitchen, it's only left to insert the refrigerator block. Insert the refrigerator. Same as before, I'll rotate the block and move it. This time, as we don't have endpoint, I'll first move to the near point, and then using orthogonal object snap, I'll move the block where it has to be. Let's insert the toilet block down there. I must rotate the block by 180 degrees. Simply, I will just type 180 in the command line for command, rotate. One block is left in the Block Explorer. It's sink block for the bathroom. Insert the sink block near the toilet block. We can use rectangle command to draw the shower cabin. First, I will draw a rectangle using relative input. After specifying the first point for the rectangle, I will type email symbol at. Then, type rectangle width and height. I have to input the negative values because our x and y axes are in negative direction. Also, we need to use offset command to draw the shower cabin. At the end, I will draw two diagonal lines to mark the shower cabin. Finally, our floor plan is finished and it's ready for printing. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please click on subscribe button in the lower right corner to subscribe to BabaCAD channel.